Hello. Well, if you haven't heard my voice before, here I am. How fascinating. Hello. Now, this video is for the prepping the Killing Floor 1 map section of Stephen's gifted half-complete tutorial on porting Killing Floor 1 maps. Well, I say half-complete, but he's done a good job. And I'm just going to demonstrate to you the export process for the T3D file, which is the text file of the map in the Killing Floor 1 map editor. So what it comes down to really is that all you can salvage realistically is the static meshes, the BSP, and the terrain. So what you want to do is you want to select all static mesh 2, and just before you hide it, you want to show all invisible actors. Perfect. That's the hide tool, by the way. Then you grab BSP. I'm doing it in officers, as you can see. Dirty all brush, hide all brushes, and then you search for the terrain actor, which officers doesn't have one, but you would hide that actor. And what's happened here is that every actor that's hidden in the editor can't be selected by select operations. So now you can select all actors except the BSP, the static meshes, and all the rest of it, and delete it. There. And show all actors. Bam. This is what's getting exported as your text file, and the text file is just going to be like static mesh X or actor X is in these coordinates at this rotation, and it's using a static mesh from this directory. So it's all this sort of like text data that the map needs. So obviously, I'm assuming you've already exported all your assets, although it doesn't really matter. So what we do now is we double check, because according to Stephen, we don't really want to keep groups because they're useless in Unreal Engine 3. So you select all group, go into properties, go into, I believe it's an object group, refresh group list. Perfect. They're all none, but if there are any other groups, you just select them all and change them to none. So officers is actually a pretty decent map for this. We save it as a different file just in case the export magically fails. And once we've done that, it's as simple as exporting this as your T3D file with whatever name you want. And there we go. Officers P, export, done and dusted. What you do from there is a bit guesswork for me, but you go into the Killing Floor 2 editor and you import your map data, but before that you need to import all your assets, because otherwise it's going to be referencing empty assets. So you'll be importing all these static meshes, but it will just be a static mesh actor without the static mesh. So what I've seen Stephen do is he has a package inside of his Killing Floor 2 editor, which is literally just called Killing Floor 1 meshes. But inside of that package, he's got groups which have these exact corresponding names. And so all the package names in Killing Floor 1 that might be referenced in the map. And I'm assuming he's just gone and added an extra bit of text into all the mesh reference data, so that instead of instead of referencing a package and a group, the package is the group, and his package is KillMaster static meshes, or whatever you want to name yours. So a lot of data management, a lot of fun times, and I can't be bothered porting a map, but this is how you go through the process in KillMaster 1 to export the map. You'd obviously have to rebuild all your spawns, or your lighting. In theory, you could export the lighting, but it's built different in Unreal Engine 2 than it is in Unreal Engine 3. So you'll have a bunch of lights that just stack on top of each other, and it looks ugly in Unreal Engine 3. That is all.